Hey y'all, hey, it's Amia Renee. Welcome to my channel. I'm just going to take you guys along with me as I cook. First, before I eat, I take my apple cider vinegar gummies and I also take this turmeric shot in the morning. It tastes really good. This turmeric shot, it has coconut water, pineapple juice, turmeric juice, lemon juice, and ground black pepper. Or I'll take the ginger shot. The ginger shot has coconut water, pineapple juice, ginger, lemon juice, and cayenne pepper. Moving on to the smoothie, I just add 1 cup of almond milk, 1 frozen banana, a tablespoon of coconut flakes, and a tablespoon of matcha powder. And for a sweetener, I'm going to use maple syrup. The last item is a couple ice cubes. I didn't want a thick smoothie, so I added a little bit of almond milk to thin it out some. Here you have it, my banana coconut matcha smoothie. It is so good. Now I'm going to make an omelet. I have onions, green peppers, mushrooms, and some spinach I already have chopped. Over the last couple years, I just became a person that likes breakfast. At first, I never really ate breakfast. I'm not even really a morning person, but my last job, we had a morning break. So that got me into the habit of eating early in the morning. So now I do eat breakfast. And I really didn't like omelets too much either because I don't like all my food together. That's crazy. I like to eat everything separate. But my mother makes the best omelets. So I said, you know what, let me go ahead on and try, see if I could create a nice little omelet for myself. And I wound up liking it. So this is my omelet that I like. I do like a lot of vegetables in my omelets. You don't have to put as much onions and peppers and mushrooms. You could put whatever you like in it. But here we go. It comes the part I hate the most. I always make a mess when I'm trying to fold my omelet. It looks a hot mess, honestly. But trust me, it tastes really good. Don't worry about how it looks too much. Presentation is everything except for with this omelet. Moving on to dinner, I have some boneless, skinless chicken thighs that I already cleaned. Now I'm getting ready to season them. Now you want to pan sear your chicken for 2 minutes on each side. In a separate pot, I'm going to saute my mushrooms, onions, and green pepper. Now the 2 minutes are up. I'm flipping the chicken, sauteing the other side. After adding the chicken, I'm going to let this simmer on the stove for about 30 minutes on low heat. On to my vegetable, which is Brussels sprouts. So I'm just cutting the tips off and cutting the Brussels sprout in half. I'm going to bake them in the oven at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. The gravy is a little too thin for me. I like my gravy to be thicker. So I'm going to show you guys how I thicken it up. So you could use flour or cornstarch. Use it like a tablespoon of flour. Add a little water to it, mix it up, and pour it into your gravy, and then we'll thicken it up instantly. If it's not as thick as you want it to be, you go ahead and repeat the flour and water mixture. You see how thick the gravy is now? That's what I like. Voila, here's my dinner. My baked Brussels sprouts, gravy mushroom chicken, and just some plain white butter rice. Oh, it was so good. Nice and tasty. As you can see, I ate every single piece of it. As always, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.